Have you ever seen someone cooking something very delicious, or he's cutting some red bell pepper so that he can actually prepare some Chinese rice? And whenever the Chinese rice is ready, how do you want to eat your Chinese rice? You want to make sure that you're eating your Chinese rice when it's smoking hot and served hot. Now, to ensure that you get the latest videos straight off the oven, straight off the pan, make sure you subscribe. But subscribing is not enough. If you want to get the hottest food instead of eating the cold food, you want to click the bell icon as well, because clicking the bell icon ensures that you get a notification pop up on your mobile phone or on your channel. So make sure you click that one. Let's jump straight into the video. Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Dogecoin video update. Today we're looking at Dogecoin for Thursday 17th of November, and I want to shift into the daily time frame again and show you what's going on with this coin right here. So very soon enough we might start to get another fall to the downside, basically. Okay, so we're looking for Dogecoin to make some sort of an ascending triangle. Maybe this is not a pennant after all. So what I'm going to do is remove that and remove this one as well, and remove that one as well. So one can say that, you know, you're putting in this lower rising support right there, and then you have this a little bit of a higher resistance like this as well. And if someone can say that that's a bullish pattern and you're trying to move up, something like that, but I just see nothing more. If you zoom out of things, all I see is nothing more than this being resistance, breakout, came down, failed the retest, and you're finding another resistance again. So it couldn't be a ascending triangle the way we are expecting it to be, but more than a pennant to continue lower, and you could expect this pennant to play from there to there and come down to the lowest part, which is actually 490.049. And you got to be careful, because this is something that can actually happen due to how Bitcoin looks. So if you look at Bitcoin, this is Bitcoin with a pennant right now, and that pennant, you can see clearly when it's gonna break out, it takes you down to 12,000. So how can Dogecoin pump on its own? You got to be careful with Bitcoin drama as well. So if Bitcoin pumps, maybe that's where we can actually say, hey, it's pumping right now. So I'm not in the favor of an upside at the moment. Things are losing support and they're not looking good. I don't think if Dogecoin can make it to the upside. But however, if you end up starting to pop out of it, and you pop out and don't make a wick like the way you made wicks here, just pop up and do a bullish closing and back test, and maybe you could actually look for small mini trade, a day trade opportunity maybe, and that can actually take you up to 10552 as well. So that's pretty much it for this update. It depends on where you break out, and I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.